Today we'll look at how to edit a JPEG image inside a Photoshop. Just go to the drive where you have stored the image. From that, pick up the image which needs to be edited. Just drag it inside the Photoshop and drop it. You'll be able to see the image on the workspace. Create a duplicate layer of the photograph. Always we should not touch the background layer. We should create a layer and we need to start working on that. First, what we need to do is we need to correct the white balance. So it is having a yellow tint on the image. We'll try to correct it. Just go to the adjustment layer. Click on the adjustment layer. Once you click on the adjustment layer, there is something called as color balance. Click on that. Once you have clicked on it, you will be able to see the primary and secondary colors. These are secondary colors, CMY, and RGB are called as primary colors. So you have some kind of yellow tint on the photograph. Let's just increase the blues so that the yellows will get disappeared. Okay. Now once we move it, we are able to see some kind of reddish tint on the image. So what we'll do is we'll just go to the cyan slider and we'll just increase the cyan slightly. So you can see the difference. Move the slider, the color has been corrected. Just click on the layer visibility. Just click on this eye symbol. Hide the selection, whatever you have done. You can see the difference before and after. If you're satisfied, just hold on at this point. Just go to adjustment layer. I feel the image is slightly darkened, so what I'll do is I'll just go to the levels and I'll try to increase the exposure of this particular photograph. The brightness, levels, curves, exposure, everything works almost the similar way. I would prefer to use levels. I'll just click on levels. Once you click on levels, you can see shadow slider. The center needle is called as midtones, and the last towards your right hand side, whatever you're seeing, is a highlight slider. What you can do is just move the midtones slightly so that your image will get brightened up. And what you can do is you can just go and move the darker slider so that the image will have nice contrast on it. If you feel the white is fine on the subject, leave it, or else you can just move the midtone slightly back so that your image has been corrected. This is the basic editing which can be done inside Photoshop itself.